With class 11, you are now entering into the world of economics. You might have studied some economics, some economic aspects, some economic concepts in class 10 or in class 9. But your systematic study of economics begins with class 11. Before we take up topic-wise the details, what we study in each topic, let us first talk about how to approach the subject, how to study the subject, so that you feel comfortable in studying the subject. First, I will like to tell you a brief outline of the course. Your course, your curriculum, your syllabus is divided into 3 parts. One is statistics, second is Indian economic development, third is project work. Statistics is of 40 marks. Indian economic development part B, that is, it has 50 marks. Your project work, that is the part C of the syllabus, is of 10 marks. In this way, your syllabus is divided into 3 parts: statistics, Indian economic development, and project work. Let us also note down the broad components of the 3 parts. These broad components are known as units. There are 6 units in all: 3 in statistics and 3 in Indian economic development, part B, plus there is project work. In statistics, part A of the course, the 3 units are introduction. In introduction, we are mainly going to study the relevance of statistics with the subject of economics. Relevance of statistics with the subject of economics. Then we are going to study collection, organization, and presentation. How to collect, how to organize into tables, graphs, etc., and how to present them in various forms. Both these units together, they constitute of 13 marks. They constitute of 13 marks. The third unit is statistical. Statistical tools. Statistical tools and interpretation. In statistical tools, we will know about things like averages, mean, median, mode, index numbers, correlation, and the various methods by which we summarize what we have collected here, what we have presented here, we summarize them into meaningful results so that on the basis of that we can interpret the result. What is the significance of the result? Result कह क्या रहा है? एवरेज कम है या ज़्यादा है? ठीक है या औरों के मुकाबले में गलत है? इस तरह की बातें कुछ हम इसमें करेंगे. This is about statistics. The next is Indian Economic Development, Part B. It also has 3 units. Unit number 4 is divided into 2 parts, A and B. Development experience 1947-90, economic reforms since 1991. Why it has been divided into 2 parts? It is because before 90, India was following a particular economic policy. What is that policy? We will study in detail when we study the contents. In 1991, there was a significant departure from that policy. This is why it has been divided into 2 parts. That what was the position during 1947, that is after attaining independence, till 90, that is over 43 years. What did we do in the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, in the field of foreign trade? What were our programs? What are our policies? That we study first. And after 1990, in 1991, what were the significant changes in the policy? Why were these required? इनकी ज़रूरत क्या थी? ये changes क्या थी? and इनकी सक्सेस रेट क्या है? ये सारी बातें जो हैं ये हम बी में पढ़ेंगे. तो जो इसका पहला ए है, दैट इज ऑफ 13 मार्क्स एंड द सेकंड इज ऑफ 12 मार्क्स. देन करंट चैलेंजेस, 5th यूनिट. करंट चैलेंजेस का मतलब क्या है? करंट प्रॉब्लम्स फेसिंग द कंट्री. चैलेंजेस का मतलब है how are our planners, how is our government trying to face these problems, because these problems are a challenge. For example, poverty is a big challenge. How to remove poverty? Unemployment is a big challenge. How to remove unemployment? Inflation, a still bigger challenge. Rise in prices. People are crying of rise in prices. And how to control these prices, what measures have been taken and all that. We study what are we doing in the field of agriculture, what are the challenges in the field of industry, what are the challenges in the field of foreign trade. All these we study in unit number 5, which constitutes of 15 marks. Then unit number 6, development experience. Remember, this is also development experience, but it is solely related to India. This is development experience, a comparison with the neighbors. Neighbors here mean the countries on the borders of India. There are many countries on the borders of India, but here we will talk about 2 countries, Pakistan and China. We will compare how these 3 countries, India, Pakistan and China, have progressed over the year. Which of these 3 has gone faster? Which of the 3 has gone slower? We will not go into the reasons. If China, it is normally experienced, is growing at a faster rate than India, or has grown at a faster rate than India, We will not go into the details of why China has grown up, but we will just come to know where do we stand? Where does India stand in comparison to its neighbor? And we have selected two neighbors, Pakistan and India. उनके per capita income क्या है, उनके income क्या है, all these things. We are going, unemployment rate क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. We are going to compare all these things in this. Now, there is another aspect of your syllabus, and that aspect is called Open Textbook Assessment. In brief, OTBA. What is Open Textbook Assessment?